Hi, I'm John Byrne with Poets and Quants.
And I'm Matt Simmons, a director at Fortuna Admissions, and we are the hosts of the CentreCourt festivals for the MBA and Specialized Masters.
Now, the next one, the first of four this year, is coming up on February 23rd and February 24th. You got to be there. Last year, we had 28 of the top 30 schools in the world attending and participating. We had more than 3.5 million views of the videos of that event. And this first one is going to knock it out of the park. You know, we are in one of the most competitive admission seasons ever. We'll answer plenty of questions. And in fact, we made an outreach to our entire audience that Matt is going to tell you about.
That's right. John, you remind me that the admissions director at Stanford, she said, who are these 3.5 million people that have been watching CentreCourt? But it's obviously such a treat to have the schools. But this event is about you. And it's about your future plans and where business school fits in. And so we reached out to our community and we asked you, if you were in front of an admissions director, a dean, or an alum of one of these schools, what are the questions that you would have for them? Now, we've been overwhelmed. We've had hundreds of responses, not just from people that have applied or applying this year. They're thinking about, is there a place for me? Am I too late for September 2021? We also have had a whole bunch of admissions directors themselves who have responded. So, John, we're going to be busy with these panels and these video interviews.
Indeed. And we're going to have a whole bunch of workshops. So not only will there be video presentations and panel discussions of the admission directors at the top schools, but we're also going to have, panels that are going to help you improve your chances of getting into a great school.
And that's really going to matter. So among those questions, people have asked about the impact of COVID. We've seen record applications, double-digit growth at the top schools this year. Trying to get your GMAT or GRE that you're taking online. How do the schools look at that? Careers, what's available beyond finance, banking, and tech. Also, individuals asking now that there's a Harris-Biden ticket and they're installed in the White House. It's happened. Well, what does that do for H-1B visas? And if you want to stay in the US, lots of questions about the one-year program. And it's great because we have all of the top European and the top US schools that will be with us. We'll be putting these questions. And if you haven't had the chance to submit a question, please reach out to us in the Poets and Quants community. Send us those questions and join us at CentreCourt MBA Festival on February 23rd and the 24th.
To register, and it's all free. And Matt and I will be your MCs throughout the event. We'll be there to hold your hand, to answer any questions you have. We're going to have special sessions with our audience on both days. Just come to the Poets and Quants website, click on the nav bar events, and you'll find our CentreCourt events there. Just click on there, register, and you're good to go. We'll see you there.
Yeah, the schools themselves have said this is the event where they meet the candidates that end up in those classrooms. We hope that you'll be among them, and we look forward to seeing you on the 23rd and the 24th.
And Matt, I'm looking forward to seeing you and doing this again. How many years is this?
It's been a while. No, it'll be great to get the community together and bring all of that energy that you always bring with you.
We'll see you there.
Bye.